Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn this beautiful cards with just one stencil. Let's get started. This I have taken crafty scrapper stencil. See how this looks. And now we are going to open this, and how to use this stencil I am going to show you in this video. There are various brands in these stencils. I'll give you every detail in the description box. Now we are going to see this one stencil, how it is used for three different kind of backgrounds. Now I am taking just a masking tape to stick behind thing. This is a masking tape. Small we have to use and it is reusable. So don't throw it after one use. Now I am just taking the part which I have to stencil. Like this, behind we have to stick it and then we have to color it. Now I am taking red color ink pad and with the help of brush I am just doing like this. Round we have to do it. This is the technique how ink is used. Like this we have to do to the full paper, and the same technique we have to use, round technique, because otherwise somewhere will be dark and somewhere will be light. That's why we have to take care of that. See how I am using. If you don't have this brush, use sponge. Before I used to use the sponge. Local market we can get in local market. From outside we have to go to in. So see how I am going. When I am diving to the ink pad, I am going from outer side to inside. And there is even tone everywhere. Nowhere is light, nowhere is darker shade. See how I am taking out that. Like this you have to take out, and this is ready. This is said to be simple stencil technique. Now we will be learning different technique, which is reverse technique, where I will use colorful background and then I will use stencil with black ink. See how to rub this, because I have to use the same stencil for next paper. If I don't clean it, it will come on the next paper. That's why I am cleaning this. Now I will take next paper and we have to color it first. So I am coloring in front of you. Same brush I have taken. So I have not cleaned that because red color is the same. Now second color I will take. This is green color I am taking, and second brush I am taking. Like this I have to color the paper. Just little bit going on the red side so that it get mixed. Next color. See how I am rubbing it and taking out the ink. Take a cotton cloth or take a tissue paper. Anything will be fine. Now I am doing blue color. After that I will be taking dark blue color, so it will be same, so I will not clean that brush. This is the dark blue color I am using. Like this, just we have to color the base, and then I'll be using stencil. So this is the second method how we can use the stencil, same stencil. Just cleaning because we don't want that to be on my card. I'll just take this, the same I am using. And now I'll be using black color. I'll be sticking this upper stencil also. Now black I am using. It can spoil your paper, that's why I'm sticking this. Just securing it by the tissue tape. And now I'm just using the black color on the colored background. See how beautiful it is looking. One thing to be keep in mind, that after this is over with the black ink, we have to clean the stencil, otherwise the mark will remain permanent. So how to clean the stencil is the one thing, by use of water or otherwise just with the cotton cloth. If you want to keep your stencil for permanent or for many years, so please, after using the stencil, please you have to clean the stencil. See how beautiful it is looking. And this is done. After every card I am doing the same thing because I don't want to spoil my card. Now the next technique. Next card I am using, and we have to just use the same thing, so I am just cleaning the black one, otherwise my card will be spoiled. So now I just want half of the stencil to be print on my paper, so I am just keeping the halfway, and I want just a half semicircle. So how to use that, how to do that pattern, I'll be giving you an idea. So just cleaning the brush before using the blue color. See how I'm using. I want semicircle. So middle part will be big and down and upper part will be little smaller. whenever you are using first time, second time, you just secure the paper and the stencil. I have the technique how to use, and now I am experienced in that, so I know how to use without masking the tape. So you please don't do. This is the beautiful card, and this got ready. Now these are all the colors I'm just keeping in front of you so that you get idea. And these are the 3 cards we learned in this video, first, second and third. I'll be putting second part also. In second part I'll be showing you how to make card with this beautiful background. This stencil we have used, and we have prepared 3 beautiful backgrounds with this stencil. Thank you for watching.